Today we leave the dock late in the evening for a bait run. Unfortunately, as we were pulling away from the dock, we snagged something off the bottom. It's another rope, and that means one of us is getting in. And this time, it's not gonna be me. So I went in last time. It's his turn. Might need to get him some airline ready, so I'm gonna do that. Captain's Log, June 16th, 2022. We always keep one airline and a small tank on the boat for sure, just for situations like this, when we have to go in the water and get something off the props, or just in case. I got the airline ready for you, if you need it.
A flashlight?
I need to find one, but that won't be hard to find. I think I know where they are. Might be able to get one without it.
It's dark under there.
I know.
And I'm scared of the dark.
I'll get you a flashlight. Alright, enjoy the sunset while I go get those things.
You got a knife?
Oh, no. That one will work. Knife. Okay, go. There he goes. Oh, that is very hard to see. Yep, that would be a rope. Well, this only means that next time it's my turn to go underwater. Oh well. I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the sunset. Oh, he's showing a little bit more again. Hopefully it's not too bad. It looks like the rope is just a little bit around the cutlass bearing, but he's gonna try to cut it away and see. I mean, hopefully it's not buried in there too much. That really sucks because we just replaced that cutlass bearing. Actually, it's that side now. We didn't replace that side yet. We replaced this side. Looks like it's coming off pretty easily. Oh, it looks like he got it off. And there was just a little bit of fishing line on there, but that's not a big deal. It didn't look like it went into cutlass bearing at all, so good. We got lucky. He's just doing a quick little inspection on the props. Make sure there's no dings or dents or anything like that. Alright, he's coming up. You found a rope?
In the cable.
Huh? You what? Oh, you're twisted in the
Twisted
cable.
up in the cable.
Oh, okay. It didn't look like it was twisted up real bad.
That wasn't bad.
No, that's good.
It was probably stuck in the bottom. We just ripped it up.
Yeah. Or it was stuck to a piling. Here, let this go down. And I'll pull it up from here. want the ladder down? No? No ladder? You do it like a pro. I have to have the ladder. See, it's still daylight out.
Can you see now?
No.
Good.
Bad thing is, it's my turn next.
You runs it over, gets it.
Well, I'm always driving the boat, so that's not fair.
You're the captain. Life's not fair.
Oh my goodness. All right, we're on our way. That was a rope that we picked up right next to our dock. As we were pulling out, we heard a thunk, thunk, thunk. And I was like, oh, I hate it when that happens. Because you never know what it is. But luckily, we got lucky this time and it wasn't bad. And we're going to continue on our way. Fast forward a few hours, we're back at the dock and we got a whole bunch of pilchers. Alright, I gotta get busy. Bring them over. See you guys in the morning. Captain's Log, June 17th, 2022. Today we plan to search for that huge anchor we've been talking about lately. But after last night's ordeal with the rope, we discovered how filthy and dirty the props have gotten. They really do need a good cleaning, and today might just be a good day for that.
Hazard to navigation in vicinity
Shark
of Shark Channel Bridge. Shift and listen to channel 22 alpha, frequency 157.1 megahertz. Out. This is Coast Guard Sector Key West on channel 16, over.
Putting that big old flag up.
There's the girl.
Big old girl. Big old flag. Well, today is gonna be work day. I'm gonna clean the props. So we're gonna go out to a nice shallow spot at Delta Shoal and I'm gonna get in the water and scrub them props down because they need it. For some reason, there's always a lot of seaweed this time of year, and I always try to navigate around it because sometimes there might be like tangled up ropes and things under the seaweed that you can't see because sometimes it'll all clump together. It's especially difficult to do this at night. I don't mind driving the boat at night, but sometimes it's really hard to see what's under those weeds, so I always just go around them when I can. Yeah, because I don't want to run over any rope or anything. I've had my share of ropes lately. This looks like a pretty good place for a nice prop cleaning. Look at that clear water. She dug in. Good to go. Yep, this will be a nice place for a good prop cleaning. What are you doing? Bells. I want bells.
Order you some bells, Cap.
Order me some bells. Alright. Time for me to get in the water. And Mike
Lunch
to do
first.
some computer work.
Let's go.
Got my arsenal of scrapers, gloves, because I'll tear up my fingers, cameras. Ah! Anyone who's ever done hull maintenance or cleaning props knows that this is definitely a workout. Wrapping yourself up in between the hull and the props, or the rudder, or the shaft gives you the leverage, but requires you to have strong core muscles, and I was already starting to feel the burn. I am taking a break from this. Alright, air's on. Air's on. We got a storm. You know how excited I get about storms. Let's go check a look. Check a look at it. Take a look at it. Gotta check out that storm. Oh. Look at that beautiful thunderstorm. Okay, this is funny. You gotta see this. This is funny. There's been like no current all day long. There's just a little twist there, and then if you come on this side, there's the anchor. Isn't that funny? That's our anchor chain. I didn't let a lot of chain out today because I knew we couldn't go far, and I was in the water anyways. Oh, that's a massive storm. I think I should get my phone out, see which way it's going. Maybe we get rained on. Everybody left. There's only like just a handful of boats over there by the lighthouse. I love storms like this though. This summertime thunderstorms. Isn't that pretty? It is as calm as can be out here too. I love storms. And it's so pretty. Like, isn't that pretty? This water is so pretty. Alright, I gotta go check out that radar. I'll put the camera up here so maybe you guys get some lightning. A lightning show. Okay. So it's sort of going like that way. I don't know if it'll hit us. It's exciting though. Too smart to be sitting out here, so I'm gonna go inside, or out back at least. It's getting windy now, I can feel it. Ooh, look at that wind. This is that before storm wind. Ooh, that flag blowing. She blowing. is gonna break. This one's gonna break. Like sucking that tank down. It must be still down there cleaning the props. Man, I wanted it to rain. It is going around us though. Arr. Oh wow. I still like being out here. That's so funny, you can hear him breathing. That's weird. Bubbly clouds. Huh. Oh, that's funny. These are some weird clouds. They're like bubbles. They're funny. Oh, you're out. Is it clean?
Clean.
It got stormy out here.
Yeah. Got rainy.
Yeah. Got them storm clouds. It's kind of going around us though.
Where's the button to my regulator cap?
I don't know. It's missing.
Missing button.
It went missing. It's in the black vortex, which is under the boat. It probably is under the boat somewhere.
I cleaned the pickup screen for the.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Was it pretty dirty?
Yeah.
Really? I wonder if that's why it was getting air all the time.
I don't know, maybe.
There's a tower on top of there. I wonder what that's for. Or is that a lightning tower?
The wind vane. That pole on the side with the thing on it?
Yeah, that's a wind vane?
Yeah, well, it measures airspeed.
Oh. Huh. That's interesting.
You know, wind direction, airspeed.
Yeah.
It may be hooked up. Maybe they're using it.
Huh. That's interesting. Look at those pretty pink clouds over there. Them pink clouds. Wow. Storms always make everything look so cool. So pretty. It's a mutton?
Maybe not.
Let's get a better look. Oh, look at him. No, he's not a mutton. He's a big something. He's not a mutton, is he?
No spot.
Yeah, there is no spot.
Keep it, though.
Hmm?
Keep it.
Yeah, we should keep him. I think it's a... Is it a mangrove?
That's a huge.
It's a huge mangrove if it's a mangrove.
I think you're right. I think it's mangrove. That is a big one.
That's a big mangrove. I gotta measure him out here.
Took a whole pilcher, man.
I know, he did.
Pilcher's a big bait.
Yeah, it's definitely not a mutton because he'd have a spot right here. It's gotta be a mangrove or a gray.
Yeah, that's a mangrove.
It's a mangrove? That's a huge mangrove. I don't know if I've ever seen a mangrove this big.
Well, now you did.
No, I did. Hold still, dude. Hold still. He's a...
So I would say 16.
Yeah, 16, 17-inch mangrove.
Yeah.
That's a big mangrove. That's a big mangrove. Huge mangrove. Look at those pliers though. I guess I'll choose these. The chaos. He's biting down on the pliers. It's like barely. There it goes.
Ian,
You think we should go?
I put 173 in there.
That's a lot. I probably at least did 100, maybe more. I think we should hit the road,
Back
hit
it
the
up.
water. Head back.
What time is it?
Hmm?
Yep, let's go.
What time is it?
114.
Yeah. 1:14 in the morning, and we got us a mangrove for dinner tomorrow.
Go and a full tank of bait.
Full tank of bait, rusty pliers.
Rusty pliers.
It's time to go back. Let's roll.